How to send money with Western Union using a debit card. Here's how to do it step by step. First is to register or log in. Go to westernunion.com or open the Western Union app and register for a free profile if you haven't had already. And then start a transfer. Click Send Down and choose destination country and the amount you want to send. Western Union will show the exchange rates and fees before you confirm. And the third is select receiving method. Choose debit or debit card as the delivery method. Fourth is choose how you want to pay. Select debit card as your payment method like via Visa or MasterCard. You can also pay with bank transfer or Apple Pay if using the application. And fifth is enter the receiver's details. You'll need to provide like full name, address, bank card number of receivers, not their full bank account details. And make sure the information is 100% accurate to avoid delays. And then confirm the transfer purpose. 7 is finalize the transfers, and then you can send your money directly to that person using your debit card. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.